Sneha Singhi. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Today we will be making Rasmalai Cheesecake. It's super easy, it's eggless, and it's really going to turn out delicious.
So we start with the base, for which we need biscuit crumbs and butter. All you got to do is mix both of them really well together and check on the consistency because it should be sticky. You could also use your hands for this to make it simpler. So I'm using a ring mold over here. That's exactly why I've covered the base with foil. Even if you're using a cheesecake mold, I would suggest you to do it. It sort of helps to stop the water from seeping in. So add the biscuit mixture into your mold and level it well. You could use something like this.
So now we're going to chill this in the freezer till our cheesecake batter is ready.
So now that we've put the base to chill in the freezer, we're going to leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's completely set, we're going to put our mixture that we're going to make right now into it and then bake it. So all we're doing now for the next step is mixing everything together. We just have to make sure that we mixed it well. And also preheat your oven at 150 degrees till about as much time as it takes to make this mixture. For the batter, you'll need dahi, yogurt, rasmalai, condensed milk, and corn flour. So add in your cream cheese to a bowl. Make sure that it's soft. If it isn't soft, make sure to whip it. Pour in your condensed milk. Add in yogurt and whip it before you add it in. Add in the corn flour and the rasmalai. So you can see I'm also adding some of the syrup in the rasmalai, which is fine to do. I've added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. All we've got to do is mix this really well. So smash the rasmalai and whisk it well. Cover with another layer of foil. I'm just doing this to be a little more safe. I don't want any water to seep in.
Once our batter is ready, you can get the mold out and it's going to be set. All you need to do is pour this in this now. That's how you make a normal cheesecake. But I want to do something a bit different to add a little more of the rasmalai flavor into it. So we have some rasmalai with us and all I'm going to do is smash it up with a fork or your hands, however you feel comfortable. So now that this is mashed up completely, we're going to add this to our set base. So what we're going to do is spread it out, but not completely to the edges because I want it to sort of be like a surprise filling inside. Now I'm going to pour in hot boiling water
And bake this in our preheated oven at 150 degrees for 45 minutes. So now that our cheesecake is baked, it took me 45 minutes exact for the cheesecake to bake completely. It shouldn't take you more than 45 to 50 minutes if you're baking it at the right temperature with both the top and the bottom heat on in the oven. So all I'm going to do now is leave it at room temperature so that it sort of cools down a little bit and then put it in the freezer for about 1 hour so that I can demold it easily, and then we'll just move on to the garnishing.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment and share as much as you can. Please guys, try and support me with this. This is my first video on YouTube and I promise to be very consistent. I am planning on doing this on a regular basis for all of you all to make yummy food at home. So I really hope that you all do follow my page and also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Sneha Singhi 1. Looking forward to seeing you all again super duper soon.